How to use Amazon Fresh for grocery delivery. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me go through steps on how you can use Amazon Fresh for groceries delivery. Well, first things first, you want to check availability. You want to go to Amazon website or open the Amazon app and navigate to the Fresh section. So find the Fresh section and head into it, and what you want to do is check if it is available in your region. Now, however, if it is available in your region, what you'll do is make sure to sign in account. While a Prime membership is not strictly required in all regions, members typically receive benefits like lower or waived delivery fees if an order minimum is made. Then what you can do is browse the wide section of items including fresh produce, meat, seafood, dairy, pantry staples, and household essentials. You can add items to your cart, and in some areas even use an Alexa device to verbally add products to your shopping list or cart. Once your cart is full, proceed to checkout. Note that items from Amazon Fresh or other grocery partners like Whole Foods or Morrisons might be in a separate cart from standard Amazon items and will require separate checkouts. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe.